First day of snowing out here, New Year. We'll start off fresh. Hopefully I don't break nothing. I don't trust Brad on the new lift. The lift I went on to last year wasn't like this. So I'm about to die. Yeah, it's a big easy, not for me.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up.
What's up?
What's up? Oh! You almost had it.
Fresh, yeah. It's gonna be on footage. Ready? Having fun out here, y'all. See, y'all.
I'll meet you down there.
You almost fell.
Comes Hector. So what's up, Mary?
What happened?
What you think?
Think about snowboarding.
Shit, but you gotta lose a little more pounds. Hefty niggas ain't really big for it. We gonna do it. Stay solid out here. You know, everybody that couldn't come, y'all should have came. Hella fun, bud. Boo boo. Rich.
Jan.
Y'all laugh, but Jan, yeah, everybody.
Charlie.
Charlie good. Charlie got a bye. You feel me? Charlie got a pass. You feel me? Yeah, you in the books were good.